Hi everyone! Today we're going to be trying out this kit by YOUniverse, Science Meets Style. We're going to be making crystal bath bombs. The brand that makes this kit is by Horizon Group USA. I have done their slime before. I have tested their slime in my YouTube channel. So you can see those videos in the I button up there. So without further ado, let's just get into it. It has a S.T.E.M sticker here. How cute is this package? This is the side. This is the back. I bought this kit in Michael's for $16.99. Michael's Arts and Crafts. It says Science, Technology, Engineering, Math. Concepts covered: acid-base chemistry, evaporation, thermodynamics. This kit includes 1 bag of baking soda, 1 coconut oil, 2 bags of crystals, 5 bath bomb mixtures, 3 mica powders, 2 fragrance droppers, 1 glitter bag, 3 molds, and 1 poster that has the easy to follow instructions. So let's just open the package. When you open the package, it smells so good. We have here the 3 molds. 1, 2. This is together. 2, 3 molds. The 2 bath bomb mixtures, coconut oil, 2 fragrances droppers. One is lavender, the other one is berry. 1 baking soda bicarbonate, 2 crystals, 1 teal, and 1 pink. 1 pink. It also brings 3 mica powders, purple, teal, and pink. 1 glitter. It also brings instructions in English and French. This is the big poster. So these are the instructions, and aside from the things that come with the kit, you will be needing spoons, measuring spoons, 1 tablespoon, half a tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon, a 1/4 teaspoon, water, and 2 large mixing bowls. You can also cover your work area. We are ready to go. I have my mixing containers. I have my measuring spoons, and I have some water right here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour 2.5 tablespoons of bath bomb mixture into your bowl. So here we have 2.5 tablespoons of bath bomb mixture. Next, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda to the same bowl. So I added our 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda. Now we can just mix it with our hands. Make sure there are no clumps. So in the instructions, it says if you're going to use the heart-shaped bath bomb mold, you're going to pour 3.5 tablespoons of bath bomb mixture and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. For this video, I'm going to do the small bath bomb, little small circle one. So after everything is mixed, we can add our color of mica powder. I'm going to use the purple one. So if you want your bath bomb to be very colorful, you add a lot of mica powder, and if you want it lighter, you add less. It doesn't bring any measurements, so I'm just going to probably use half of this bag for this bath bomb. So I added my mica powder. Now we are going to add our fragrance. We're going to drop 4 to 6 drops of fragrance to your mixture, and then we're gonna blend it all together with our hands. I'm going to pick the lavender. We're going to add 4 to 6 drops. I'm going to add 6 drops because I want it to smell. But if you don't want it to smell too much, you add fewer drops. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's 6 drops. Now we're going to blend it all together. I'm going to use my spoon to mix it so my hands don't get too messy. So now we're going to take our 1/4 teaspoon and we're going to measure some water. Now we're going to drop it slowly and we're going to mix at the same time with our other hand because it's going to fizz up. Now what we're going to do is mix it for 5 minutes until it feels like damp sand. You can test if you need more water. You can take handfuls of the mixture, and if it cracks, you will need more water and you're going to add it slowly. But if it stays without cracking like this, then it's ready. If you want to add glitter, I will add it now. I'm going to add some to my mixture. So sparkly. Now we can just mix with our hands. Now it's time to use our mold. We have to pack the mixture all the way to the top. We're going to do that on both sides. If you're using the heart mold, you only have to pack it on one because there's only one mold. But with the circle and the diamond or the gem, is 2 sides. You have to pack in the mixture very tightly so it doesn't crumble when you take it apart. So this is what we have. You have to make a little dent with your finger so you can add your crystals. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side to the other side of the mold. Now we are ready to use our crystals. I'm going to be using the teal one. So the instructions say to use 1.5 teaspoons of crystals and half a teaspoon of coconut oil, and you're just going to mix it together. So this is what we have. I'm going to just pack the crystals to one side, and then we're going to put our mold together, and we're going to let it closed for 3 minutes so it can harden a little. It's been 3 minutes and we are ready to open our mold, and look at that. It's very cool. Just be careful opening it so it doesn't crack. The instructions say to squeeze the mold a little to release it. If you want the bath bomb to fully set, to fully dry, you can leave it on your table or anywhere that is a flat surface for an hour to dry, but I just wanted to test it out right away. So I'm going to fill my container with some water, and then we're going to see if our bath bomb works. Just a disclaimer, I didn't waste my bath bomb. I immediately put the lid on my container, and then when it was time for me to take a bath, I just poured the bath bomb mixture to my bathtub. I tried to record the fizzy sounds of the bath bomb, but it is so hot here that I have my fan on and I just couldn't turn it off because it's so hot. But as you can see, the bath bomb works, so it's all good. So thank you guys for watching. As always, you can follow me on my social media sites. Thank you everybody. Have a good weekend.